In giving us more information. Now, on that note, in fact, the campaigning is in full force from also the opposition parties. And on that note, Rahul Gandhi has also addressed a public gathering, another public rally in where Delhi. He has taken a jibe at both the BJP and as well the Aam Aadmi Party on the BJP government, saying that Rahul Gandhi in fact stated whatever BJP does is to help Adani or Ambani. And hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party, he said that Arvind Kejriwal had said that I would change the politics of the national capital, but unfortunately nothing has changed and the biggest liquor scam was done by Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal. Let's now listen to that.
जो भी ये करते हैं अदानी और अंबानी को मदद करने के लिए करते हैं। राम मंदिर का इनॉग्रेशन था, आपने देखा, आपने अपनी आंखों से देखा। मुझे आप बताओ, जब राम मंदिर का इनॉग्रेशन हो रहा था, आपने किसी गरीब व्यक्ति को वहां देखा? किसान को देखा? मजदूर को देखा? अदानी देखा आपने, अमिताभ बच्चन देखा, अंबानी देखा, पूरी लाइन देखी आपने उनकी। और फिर मोहन भागवत कहते हैं कि 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमें आजादी नहीं मिली, आजादी अब मिली है। मोहन भागवत का कहना है कि आजादी तो मोदी जी के आने के बाद मिली है। यह सीधा संविधान पर आक्रमण है। अगर 1947 में आजादी नहीं मिली तो फिर इस किताब का क्या मतलब है? जो भी एक
All right, my colleague Mehendi Garg is joining me live on the broadcast. Mehendi, if we talk about, in fact, the opposition campaigning in full force in the national capital, Rahul Gandhi has, in fact, hit out at both the parties which are contesting in fact, large numbers in the national capital ahead of the poll scheduled for the 5th February. Hitting out at the BJP specifically for aiding the Adani projects and making in fact a poll pitch for the Congress to try and gain some momentum.
Well, indeed, Simran, ahead of the assembly polls, the war of words have escalated between the parties, and now Rahul Gandhi, while addressing a public rally in Sadar Bazaar, has hit out at BJP and as well as Aam Aadmi Party. And while, giving his statements, he mentioned that how BJP is doing the appeasement politics of Adani and Ambani, and talking about that, he also mentioned the inauguration of Ram Mandir, that there were no poor or common people present at the inauguration, but yes, Amitabh Bachchan, Ambani, Adani were all present in the inauguration as well. And not only this, Simran, he also talked about Mohan Bhagwat, the RSS chief, and saying that he mentions that how independence has not been given to India on 15th August 1947, but after Prime Minister Modi came to power. So apart from, targeting BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, he also talked about Mohan Bhagwat. So, these are the war of words that have escalated, and the India alliance where Congress and Aam Aadmi Party is an alliance in the, we can say in the national perspective, but in the Vidhan Sabha elections, they are not contesting together. So taking a jibe at that also, he mentioned that how Arvind Kejriwal came to power saying that he will change the politics of Delhi, but nothing has been changed.
Well, all right, on that note, Mehendi, I'll request you to kindly stay on with me on the broadcast, as I'm also getting more updates as far as the campaigning, which is in full force in the national capital, is done by all the parties just before, in fact, it is coming to be on end before, in fact, the polls commence. Ahead of the assembly elections, Uttarakhand